Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talking about acrylic color and how to use it. Recently I purchased this Mont Marte Acrylic Colour. Let's open the box. Wow, this is amazing. Acrylic color paint set. This is signature Mont Marte. And each tube contains 36 ml and 48 piece. Let's see the back side. These are the color chart. Let's open it. Wow, the color is so vibrant, so beautiful. These are the cool color. This is the black shade and brown. This is golden. Okay, let's talk about what is acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is a fast drying paint and it is water based. You can use water to thin it. Most of the acrylic color are water based. It is also waterproof. When it gets dry, it seems like a plastic. This color is so flexible and you can apply the color all kind of surfaces like canvas, paper, board, wood, leather, fabric, glass, pottery, almost any non-greasy surfaces. If you are a beginner artist, I suggest acrylic color rather than oil color because acrylic color is water based and it is so handy to use and it gets dry so quickly. Okay, this is enough for today. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.